Hello everyone, presenting to you the demo of multiple file upload control made by our group as a part of the project. In this demo we are going to show you how the application actually works. So let's begin with it. So in the first part we'll show you how to upload a file using the control. First of all we click on the choose files. Now we select files that we want to upload and after that we click on open button. Now we click on upload button and as you can see the files are uploaded on the server and a grid view is generated. This grid view shows you the list of the files you've uploaded and a few options about which we will be discussing a bit later. Now let's take a look on the restrictions that we can see on the screen about maximum size and also the number of files that can be selected at a time. Before we start with the restrictions, let us see what happens if we click on the upload button without choosing a file. This simply notifies you that no files are selected yet. So you have to select files and then upload. Talking about the restrictions on uploading a file, let's first take a look on what happens if we select more than 10 files and click on open button. As we can see, an alert is popped up on your screen which prompts you that not more than 10 files can be selected at a time. Now talking about the size of the files that is to be uploaded. The maximum size for an upload is 25 MB, no matter how many files you select. Now what happens if we select one file of size exceeding 25 MB? As we see that an error message has been generated that shows that the file could not be uploaded because the maximum limit, that is 25 MB, has been exceeded. Now let's see what happens if we select more than one file, combination of which exceeds 25 MB. As we see, we are selecting 7 files, combination of which is going around 35 to 40 MB. Let's see. Now as we can see, 3 files could not be uploaded. It is because when the 5th file is being uploaded, the maximum size crosses 25 MB and so the rest of the uploads fails. Along with these restrictions, there's another restriction that we cannot upload a duplicate file. That is, the name and extension of the file cannot be already present. Suppose we have a file details.pdf and we select a file that is the same file details.pdf and upload it. We can see that the error message says one number of duplicate files could not be uploaded. Now talking about the grid view, we've already told the grid view contains a list of files and here each file can be deleted, downloaded, and also can be checked individually. Now we can also download more than one file as zip using the download as zip button. And for instance, if we want to download all the files, we use the check all click and then click on the download as zip button. Now we can see that all the files have been downloaded. Yes. Now if we want to delete more than one files, in the same way we can check all the files and delete them simultaneously. And for instance, if we click on any of the two buttons, that is the download as zip button and the selecting and delete button, it will show an error. Thank you. That's all about multiple file upload control.